Are you looking for an iPad video editing app? Then try Weilo. Download Weilo right now and try it for free. Are you looking for an iPad video editing app? Then try Weilo. Download Weilo. Are you looking for an iPad video editing app? Then try Weilo. Are you looking for an iPad video editing app? Then try Weilo. Download Weilo right now and try it for free.